People think weight loss is only about exercise, but honestly, the hardest part is controlling hunger, especially in Saudi Arabia, where fast food is everywhere, like shawarma, burger, fried chicken, snacks, cold drink, hamburger, كده كده ما هي معلوم كثير. And when you work long hours or stay tired, craving hits even harder. So in this video, I'll show you how I personally control my hunger during my 19 days weight loss challenge here in Saudi Arabia. My day starts very simple. Right after waking up, usually I drink lemon water. It helps me feel fresh and hydrate in the morning. I notice that when I start my day with water instead of heavy food, my hunger feel more control throughout the day. I also note to eat emotionally in the morning. Instead of thinking about food all of day, I focus on start my day calmly. For lunch, I keep things very simple, mostly boiled vegetables, a small piece of chicken breast, and a small amount of rice. Nothing fancy. A lot of people think weight loss meal need expensive food, but honestly simple food work best for me. The biggest thing I learned is portion control. I don't try to eat until I feel super full. I eat enough to feel satisfied, not stuffed. Now let's talk about the hardest part is cravings. Sometimes in the evening I feel hungry again. Instead of eating junk foods, I usually eat a fruit. Not every day perfectly, but I try my best. Another thing that helped me a lot is staying busy. Sometimes I do exercise or go outside, market, exploring things like skincare products, lotion and more and more. And also sometimes I work on my computer editing videos or doing something productive. And then I realize something important. When you stay busy, your mind stops thinking about a lot of hunger is actually boredom. At dinner I mostly eat salad. Simple again. At night craving become stronger, especially when you are tired. But I try to remind myself why I started this journey. I'm not trying to become perfect overnight. I just want to become healthier and more confident step by step. To be honest, controlling hunger is not easy. Some days are harder than others, and living in Saudi Arabia while you are trying to lose weight can feel difficult because tempting food is everywhere. But I learned that discipline is more powerful than motivation. And you don't need a perfect diet, you just need consistency. Even a small healthy choice every day can slowly change your body and your mindset. Well guys, this is how I control my hunger during my 90 days weight loss challenge in Saudi Arabia. I'm still learning, still improving and still fighting every day. If you are also trying to lose weight, remember progress is better than perfection. See you in the next day of my journey. Bye guys.